Right back with another video. This my wife's car. She said her front passenger side was low, so I'm gonna get the air compressor that I got from Harbor Freight. It's called what is it called? The Pittsburgh air compressor, made by Pittsburgh. So we're gonna try to give it a shot. See what happens. I try not to make a lot of noise putting this phone in my pocket, but it always makes that noise. Okay. So we got the Pittsburgh air compressor right here. It works off the power of your battery. So see if I can give you a look at it so you can kind of see what it look like. It's Pittsburgh, and then you just hook it up like you try to do a jump start. Red to red, black to black. It comes with a long hose. So let's see if we can get her some air so she'll be safe out here in these streets. This is a better view of it. I'm gonna take it out the bag because I'm gonna go from my car to her car. So we got the electrical part that goes to the battery. We can set it on the ground. That'll help give us a little longer space. Our tire doesn't look low, but it's cold outside, so let's double check it. Take the cap off, my tire gauge. Let's see what it reads. That one's not even low. That's 30. That's like 33 pounds. So maybe her gauge is just off. Let's check the back one. Oh, she said it was the passenger side anyway. I'm looking at the wrong tire, but good thing is, that's my wife. I might as well check all her tires while I'm out here. Yeah, I checked the wrong tire. I see this one in the front is low. So the other one's like 32, 33. So they safe at least. She don't have to worry about the other one. So let me move the air compressor a little bit closer. Uh-oh. This one do look a little low. Yeah, that one's low. So let's screw it on. I don't know if you can see it. Screw this on. Make sure it's in there tight so you don't lose too much air. These hubcaps is in the way. Hopefully that's good. Then we hit the on button. Machine kind of loud, but it does a good job. Nissan just drove down the street with a flat tire. I hope they call me. I'll help them out. Help is on the way. You see my gauge. I don't know if y'all can see this. My gauge is broken. But that's okay because I got this tire pressure gauge to check the pressure. So it looks like her tire's all right. If we go down again, I'll go get it checked, or I'll take it off myself, depending on what I'm doing that day. But hopefully it don't go down again. If it does, we gotta take it off. There's somebody walking down the street without a mask on, and I didn't put mine on, so I'm gonna get out the way. 6 feet apart. And hope they don't talk to me, because I don't know them. Okay. That should be enough air. Let's see. Come on. It's hard to get off because of these hubcaps. Stay in the way. There we go. Check it. And she got enough air in there. Now I put a little more in there. Put 42 in it, so that'll let me know if it's below 42 tomorrow. She got a leak and we gotta fix it. Gotta figure it out. If it go down again. But that was a simple video. Air compressor for the from Harbor Freight, the Pittsburgh air compressor. Comes in handy. All right, catch you on the next one.